Hi there, little learners! Are you ready to trace the alphabet and meet some fun friends along the way? Let's start with the letter A. Can you trace along with me? Great job! A is for apple. Yum! Do you like apples? Let's move on. Here comes the letter B. Ready to trace? Follow the numbers. Start at 1, then trace along each step. B is for ball. Look at it go! Next up is the letter C. Ready to trace with me? Great job! C is for cat. Here's the letter D. Let's trace it together. D is for dog. Let's trace the letter E. E is for elephant. Let's trace the letter F. F is for fish. Let's keep going. Now it's time for the letter G. G is for giraffe. They're so tall. Here comes the letter H for hat. Let's trace it together. Time for the letter I. Let's trace it. I is for ice cream. Here comes the letter J. J is for jellyfish. Watch him wiggle. Let's trace the letter K. K is for kite. L is for lion. Let's trace the letter L. Here comes the letter M for monkey. Let's trace it. N is for nest. Let's trace the letter N together. O is for owl. Time to trace the letter O. P is for penguin. Let's trace the letter P. Here's the letter Q for queen. Let's trace it. R is for rabbit. Let's trace the letter R. Now for the squiggly letter S. Ready to trace? T is for tiger. Let's trace the letter T. Here comes the letter U for umbrella. Let's trace it. V is for violin. Let's trace the letter V. Time to trace the letter W for whale. Ready? Now let's trace the letter X for xylophone. Here comes the letter Y for yo-yo. Let's trace it together. Let's finish with the letter Z for zebra. Ready to trace? Wow! Look at all the letters you traced, following the numbers perfectly. You did an amazing job. Now you know your ABCs and some fun friends too. Thanks for learning with us today. Subscribe to Tickle Time TV for more adventures and learning.